All right, let's walk through this real quick. Taking profits, how to hold, when known to let go just a little bit. So we're going to go through all the stages that traders go through real quick in 2 minutes. Okay. We know it is, if you know what you're doing, you've got a 50-50 shot. Okay. 50-50 shot of making money. When you first start out, odds are you really don't know what you're doing. So it's more like you probably have more of like a 40% win rate, like a 40-60 give or take. So it's not quite 50-50. And you have the math wrong. So in order to make money with a 50-50 spot, right, in trading, the only way to do it is to make $500 on your winning trades and lose $200 on your losing trades, right? Math is in your favor. It's a 50-50 shot. So the only way to make money is that. Well, not only when you're starting out do you have a crappy win rate because you really don't know what you're doing, but you also let the losers lose way too much and the winners barely make anything. So you're always losing $500 and you're only ever making $100 because you just lost 500 and this one's barely up and it's probably just going to lose again, right? It's that same story. So you have a double negative. You have a crappy win rate because you really don't know what you're doing and you don't let the math play out. Notice this, have you been watching my trades? So that's the very first step. That's the very first stage everyone starts in at. This is the stage that creates the most scarring. The most scarring. This is what takes the most emotions to get over. Because when you're first starting out, it's not a 50-50 win rate because you don't know what the heck you're doing. You're just swinging at every pitch the pitcher throws at you. You have no idea what you're doing. You're just striking out all the time. Not to mention, you're also adding to the fact where you just keep losing massive and you never hold on to anything to let it win big. So the math is completely screwed. After a few months or so, you finally do get it to a 50-50 win rate. You get better and better and better, and now you're at a 50-50 win rate. The problem is the math is still screwed up. You're still losing way too much and winning way too little. The third phase is you finally start to figure out the math. The math that you're like, oh my gosh, okay, I know how to do this now. I need to start cutting my losses. So I need to start losing 200. My mouse is really good. And I need to start making $500. Holy crap. You start doing this over and over again with a 50-50 win rate. And all of a sudden you start making money. And then you do this for years and then you get better and better where now your win rate's more like 60%. And so now you have the opposite spectrum where you have a 60% win rate and your math is in your favor. So now you start making a crap ton of money. So figure out where you're at on that scale. Where are you at? Are you just barely starting out? Do you have a 50-50 win rate? Yeah, because that's great for day trading. 50-50 is going to be the average win rate for 99% of the professional traders out there. For me, I'm sitting at about 65% win rate for this year. Once you can at least diagnose and get a real picture of where you're at, now you can start working on what you need to do to fix it. If you're over here and you have less than a 50% win rate, guess what you need to do? You need to pick one strategy and stop bouncing all over the place. Pick one strategy that you're going to trade for 6 months and you're not going to trade anything else. You are going to back trade that strategy 500 times so you know it in and out. And as you're back trading it, you're going to realize it loses all the time. Realistically, it's just a 50-50 win rate. You just remember the losses a lot more than you remember the wins. So you've got a 50-50 win rate now. You've got a strategy. Cool. You've worked your way off of the far left side of the spectrum. Okay. You've exited out of that. Now you're here. You've got a 50-50 win rate. So now how do you start making more money and losing less? It's all about emotional control. This math right here has everything to do with emotional control. You've got to trust that and let the trade just work, that when it works and it goes to 2R, you're going to make $500. When it loses, you're going to try to lose less than an R. So let's say $200. And now you have the math working for you and you're finally going to start making money. This is the hardest one to get past, by the way. This is what takes people years because they just, first off, they don't even realize it. Second off, they don't know how to control their emotions. Third off, they're so focused on like, I have to eliminate all my emotions. That's not possible. You need to just identify what triggers you, figure out what to do with that trigger. So instead of every time you smell a donut, you eat it. No, smell a donut, stop and process and go, nope, I'm not going to eat it. You've got to start learning how to make the other choice, right? Not just smell a donut and walk into the donut shop every time you smell it. You just simply need to start being more aware of what your triggers are and start choosing another path. What action happens after you get triggered? Boom. It takes a long time. You start to master this now. And so now the math is in your favor with a 50-50 win rate. And then you start getting money. And after a while, years and years of trading, you start getting very, very experienced where you simply go, I still have the same strategy, but now I'm getting wise where I'm not just going to go out there and swing at every single pitch that comes my way. I'm going to wait for the fastball down the middle. And I'm going to watch pitch go by after pitch go by after pitch go by. And that's a good pitch. I could have hit that one, but I'm not going to. And that's a good one. I could have hit that one, not going to. And you're going to wait and you're going to wait. And then you will see your pitch. It's probably going to happen about 2 or 3 times a week in day trading. And you're going to go, holy crap, fastball down the middle. And you're going to step up and you're going to hit that ball. Now there's a chance you fly it up and it lands just short of the fence and the guy catches it and you're out. You still have a 50-50 win rate, right? It's not like you're a 90% win rate now. But what's going to start happening when you get choosy and picky on your trades is just going to start to move higher than a 50% win rate. Because these perfect down the middle pitches, you tend to hit more home runs on than you tend to miss. It's not a 50-50 shot anymore. So now you're on this side of the spectrum where you fix the math and now you've started leaning a little bit more on an edge because you now know what is a good trade and what isn't. And now you're making stupid money. So figure out where you're at on this spectrum, identify where you're at, and now you know exactly what you need to fix. This is not an overnight fix, but it's a fix that you can make if you just start working on it. You have to make if you want to start making money in these markets. That's how you do it.